Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life conversation and story. Today's topic is my daily study routine. Studying every day helps us learn new things, improve our skills, and achieve our goals. A good study routine also helps us become more organized and confident. Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily study routine in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Study vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Study. Repeat. Study. Book. Repeat. Book. Notebook. Repeat. Notebook. Homework. Repeat. Homework. Lesson. Repeat. Lesson. Teacher. Repeat. Teacher. Student. Repeat. Student. Library. Repeat. Library. Exam. Repeat. Exam. Practice. Repeat. Practice. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I study every day. Repeat. I study every day. I read my English book. Repeat. I read my English book. I finish my homework. Repeat. I finish my homework. Very good. Talking about studying. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, when do you study? Daniel, I study every evening after school. Emma, how long do you study? Daniel, I usually study for 1 hour. Emma, what is your favorite subject? Daniel, English is my favorite subject. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I enjoy studying. Pause. I enjoy studying. I read every day. Pause. I read every day. I complete my homework. Pause. I complete my homework. Learning makes me stronger. Pause. Learning makes me stronger. Excellent. After school routine. Now let's continue. Friend, what do you do after school? Emma, I go home, eat lunch, and take a short rest. Friend, what do you do after that? Emma, I finish my homework and review today's lessons. Friend, do you study every day? Emma, yes. Daily practice helps me remember new things. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia comes home from school at 4 o'clock every afternoon. She changes her clothes, washes her hands, and eats a healthy snack. After resting for 20 minutes, she sits at her desk and opens her English book. She studies for 1 hour and writes new vocabulary in her notebook. When she finishes, she reviews her homework and prepares her school bag for the next day. Now answer these questions. What does Olivia do after coming home? She changes her clothes, washes her hands, and eats a healthy snack. How long does she study? She studies for 1 hour. What does she write in her notebook? She writes new English vocabulary. What does she prepare before bedtime? She prepares her school bag for the next day. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I study every day. I enjoy learning English. I finish my homework. I review my lessons. Practice helps me improve. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your study routine, use the present simple tense because you are describing your daily habits. For example, I study every evening. I read English books. I complete my homework. I practice every day. These simple sentences are useful in everyday English conversations. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy learning new things. I study a little every day. Practice makes me better. I never stop learning. My study routine helps me achieve my goals. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful study vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your daily study routine in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to talk about making a study timetable, preparing for exams, studying with friends, and improving learning habits. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful study vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about a daily study routine. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to make a study timetable, prepare for exams, study with friends, and build good study habits. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Making a study timetable. A good study timetable helps us use our time wisely. Listen carefully. I make a study plan. Repeat. I make a study plan. I study at the same time every day. Repeat. I study at the same time every day. I take short breaks. Repeat. I take short breaks. I finish my work before dinner. Repeat. I finish my work before dinner. Excellent. Conversation about studying. Emma, do you have a study timetable? Daniel. Yes, I do. Emma, what time do you usually study? Daniel. I start studying at 5 o'clock every evening. Emma, do you study for a long time? Daniel. No. I study for 1 hour and then take a short break. Emma. That is a good habit. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. I follow my study timetable. Pause. I follow my study timetable. I study every evening. Pause. I study every evening. I take short breaks. Pause. I take short breaks. Good habits help me learn. Pause. Good habits help me learn. Very good. Studying with friends. Friend. Do you study alone or with your friends? Emma. Sometimes I study alone, and sometimes I study with my friends. Friend. Why do you like studying together? Emma. Because we help each other understand difficult lessons. Friend. Do you enjoy group study? Emma. Yes. It is fun and I learn many new ideas. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan has an important English exam next week. Every evening, he studies for 1 hour after finishing his homework. He reads his textbook, reviews his notes, and practices new vocabulary. On Saturday, he studies with 2 friends at the library. They ask each other questions and explain difficult answers. Before going home, they make a plan for the next study session. Ryan feels more confident because he studies a little every day. Now answer these questions. When is Ryan's English exam? Next week. What does Ryan do every evening? He studies for 1 hour after finishing his homework. Where does Ryan study with his friends? At the library. Why does Ryan feel confident? Because he studies a little every day. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I make a study plan. I review my notes every day. I study with my friends. Practice helps me remember. I enjoy learning English. Very good. English learning tip. Use then and after that to describe your study routine. For example, first, I finish my homework. Then, I read my English book. After that, I practice new vocabulary. Finally, I prepare my school bag. These words help your English sound natural and organized. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I study a little every day. Good study habits bring success. I never give up. Learning English is fun. Every day is a new chance to learn. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to talk about making a study timetable, preparing for exams, and studying with friends in English. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about learning from mistakes, staying motivated, using the library, and improving your English through real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to make a study timetable, prepare for exams, and study with friends. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to stay motivated, learn from mistakes, use the library, and improve your study habits. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Staying motivated. Studying every day is not always easy. Sometimes we feel tired or distracted. Good habits help us stay motivated. Listen to this conversation. Emma, how do you stay motivated to study? Daniel, I remember my goals. Emma, what is your goal? Daniel, I want to speak English fluently and get good grades. Emma, that's a wonderful goal. Daniel, yes, it encourages me to study every day. Excellent. Now repeat. I stay motivated. Pause. I stay motivated. I study for my future. Pause. I study for my future. I never give up. Pause. I never give up. Very good. Learning from mistakes. Friend. Do you make mistakes while studying? Emma. Yes, I do. Friend. What do you do when you make a mistake? Emma. I read the lesson again and ask my teacher for help. Friend. Do mistakes help you learn? Emma. Yes. Every mistake teaches me something new. Wonderful. Studying at the library. Daniel. Do you like studying at the library? Emma. Yes, I do. Daniel. Why do you like it? Emma. Because it is quiet and peaceful. Daniel. What do you usually do there? Emma. I read books, complete my homework, and practice English vocabulary. Daniel. That sounds like a great place to study. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Sophia visits the library every Wednesday after school. She chooses a quiet table near the window. First, she reviews her class notes. Then, she reads an English storybook for 30 minutes. After that, she writes 10 new vocabulary words in her notebook and makes simple sentences with each word. Before leaving, she checks her homework and plans what she will study tomorrow. Sophia believes that studying a little every day helps her remember more and feel confident in class. Now answer these questions. When does Sophia visit the library? She visits the library every Wednesday after school. Where does she sit? She sits at a quiet table near the window. What does she do after reading the storybook? She writes 10 new vocabulary words and makes simple sentences. Why does Sophia study every day? Because it helps her remember more and feel confident. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I enjoy studying in the library. I learn from my mistakes. I ask questions when I need help. I practice English every day. My goals inspire me. Very good. English learning tip. Use because to explain your reason. For example, I study English because I want to travel. I read books because they help me learn new words. I practice every day because I want to improve. Using because makes your sentences longer, clearer, and more natural. Practice this every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Every day is a chance to learn. Mistakes help me improve. I enjoy reading English books. My study habits make me stronger. I believe in myself. Fantastic work. Today, you practiced talking about staying motivated, learning from mistakes, and studying in the library using natural English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about a daily study routine, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your study habits in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful study vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about a daily study routine. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. My daily study routine. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily study routine. I believe that studying every day is one of the best habits I can have. It helps me learn new things, improve my English, and prepare for my future. Every weekday, I wake up early and get ready for school. I eat a healthy breakfast and pack my school bag. At school, I listen carefully to my teachers and take notes during every lesson. When I come home in the afternoon, I change my clothes, wash my hands, and eat a light snack. Then I take a short break to relax. After my break, I sit at my study desk. I open my notebook and check my homework. I always finish my homework before I start revising my lessons. Next, I read my English textbook for about 30 minutes. I underline new words and write them in my vocabulary notebook. Then I make simple sentences with each new word. This helps me remember them more easily. Sometimes I watch short English videos to improve my listening skills. I also read easy English stories aloud to improve my pronunciation. Twice a week, I visit the library after school. It is quiet, comfortable, and perfect for studying. I enjoy reading books there because I can focus without distractions. When I do not understand something, I ask my teacher or my friends for help. I know that asking questions helps me learn faster. Every evening, I spend a few minutes reviewing what I learned during the day. Before I go to bed, I prepare my school bag and make a small study plan for tomorrow. This keeps me organized and saves time in the morning. Studying every day is not always easy. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I never give up. I believe that every small step brings me closer to my goals. My dream is to speak English confidently and communicate with people from around the world. That is why I practice every single day. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Why does Sophia study every day? Because she wants to learn new things, improve her English, and prepare for her future. What does Sophia do after coming home from school? She changes her clothes, washes her hands, eats a snack, and takes a short break. How does Sophia remember new vocabulary? She writes new words in her notebook and makes simple sentences with them. Where does Sophia study twice a week? She studies at the library. What is Sophia's dream? Her dream is to speak English confidently and communicate with people from around the world. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I study every day. I review my lessons every evening. I enjoy learning new words. I never give up. Practice helps me improve. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What time do you usually study? Where do you study? How long do you study every day? What is your favorite subject? How do you prepare for exams? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. To describe your daily study routine, use sequence words. For example, first, I finish my homework. Then, I review my notes. After that, I read an English book. Finally, I prepare for tomorrow's lessons. These words help you speak clearly and tell your story in the correct order. Practice using them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your daily study routine, describe your study habits, talk about homework, revision, and exams. Use useful study vocabulary in everyday English. Improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.